This ain't just music. This is movement. This is survival on a beat. This is hip hop. This is hip hop. Yeah. Came from the cracks where the concrete sweats, where the city don't sleep but it still forgets. Young souls in the park with a cardboard dream. Turntable screaming like a broken machine. Bassline heavy like a subway train. Echoes of struggle, rhythm of pain, but they flipped it. Made art from the fight, turned dark days into flashing light. Mic check in the circle, voice gets free. Every rhyme is a key to identity. No silver spoon, just a vinyl groove in the block that taught them how to move. This is hip-hop. Heartbeat loud, from the street to the world, from the block to the crowd. Spin it back, let the truth drop. Born in the fire, we call it hip-hop. This is hip-hop. Never gonna stop, from the ground to the sky, from the bottom to the top. One sound, one soul, one drop. Forever alive in the name of hip-hop. DJ cuts like a surgeon's hand, building new worlds from a broken land. Scratch that record, let it cry and scream. Turn pain into rhythm in the dream. Graffiti letters on the subway wall, saying we exist when nobody calls. Break a spin it on the street's cold floor. Every move saying we are more. Four elements locked in a cipher ring, where the beatbox breathes and the MC sing. It ain't just sound, it's a coded art. It's a language spoken straight from the heart. This is hip-hop. Heartbeat loud, from the street to the world, from the block to the crowd. Spin it back, let the truth drop. Born in the fire, we call it hip-hop. This is hip-hop. Never gonna stop, from the ground to the sky, from the bottom to the top. One sound, one soul, one drop. Forever alive in the name of hip-hop. Now it travels through wires and satellite streams, still built on the foundation of basement dreams. From boom bap nights to digital lights, it still carries that struggle, still carries that fight. Different styles, but the roots stay deep, where the culture was born, from the streets that speak. Every new generation adds their flame, but the heartbeat still knows its name. From block parties to global shows, the story evolves, but the essence grows. And every DJ that touches the wheel keeps that original spirit real. Let the rhythm talk, let the city breathe, let the broken find a way to believe. Every scratch, every rhyme, every drop is a piece of the soul called hip-hop. This is hip-hop. So when the night falls on the concrete stage and the crowd feels young but the world feels aged, remember where it started, the spark, the flame, not fame but change in the name. It's more than music, more than sound. It's lost ones found in the spinning round. The culture built from survival art, still beating strong like a human heart. This is hip-hop. Let it rise from the underground straight to the skies. No limits, no stop, no drop. Just like in the form of hip-hop. This is hip-hop. Feel the soul from the broken pieces making whole. One beat, one voice, one shot, forever. We live in hip-hop. And it keeps going through every speaker, through every street, through every heartbeat. Hip hop never dies, it just changes form.